This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 1st of March. I'm Michael Groff. Today is the start of meteorological spring, and it'll feel like it around here today with temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. We'll see a small chance of rain in here over the weekend. What about the weather for next week? Are we going to continue with above average temperatures? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 77 degrees, the high in the valley. Finally, we were above normal. And the low, 51. The climate statistics out for the month of February. And check this out. It was the 26th coldest February on record here in Phoenix. In fact, our daily high temperature was the 10th coldest. And also, we were among one of the wetter Februaries on record. Outside right now, here just after 7 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies out there, starting out at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 44. Humidity 67%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, it's 43 at Fort McDowell and Goldfield. Those are the cold spots, but most of us are in the low and middle 50s across the area. The upper air look, it's a zonal flow right now, but you do see an area of low pressure moving on to the Pacific coast. And that will be the impetus for increasing clouds and chances of rain over the weekend, especially over northern Arizona, which we'll detail in just a moment. The watch warning map, we've got winter weather advisories and some snow coming down for parts of the nation's heartland and out here in the west. Some winter weather advisories. The Sierra looks to get some more snow. That's good news there. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather across the contiguous United States. A little rain, a little thunder across parts of the central California coast and certainly in the southeastern U.S. And the precipitation outlook for the next 7 days from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley somewhere between a few hundredths up to maybe a tenth of an inch. Heavier totals for northern Arizona and across parts of southern California. They could be seeing up to 2 inches of rain or so out that way. Let's get into it as we take a look at the models and see what the future might hold. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars, or about 18,000 feet up off the ground. A zonal flow in here today, so down at the surface with some periods of high clouds coming through. We'll call it partly sunny. Highs this afternoon, mid and upper 70s. Should be a nice day tonight. Partly cloudy skies. It'll be mild. Lows in the mid-50s in the mid-city, maybe around 50 for the cool spots. But thanks to the clouds, I think temperatures will be a bit more uniform overnight. And then tomorrow, partly sunny skies. We've got this weather system passing primarily north of Arizona, but there's enough moisture around to facilitate at least a chance of showers here in the valley. We'll go with a 30% chance, especially by tomorrow afternoon. The better chances of precipitation will be across northern Arizona, but the snow levels are going to be pretty high with this system because it's a fairly warm feature coming on through. Otherwise, we should be in the low and middle 70s tomorrow. Then Sunday, that system's out of here. Will become mostly sunny, highs low and middle 70s. And then Monday, low and middle 70s likely with mostly sunny skies. Tuesday, here comes another weather system toward the west coast. Southwesterly flow out ahead of that. Should be a pretty warm day. The latest guidance coming in with highs in the upper 70s. We might even touch 80 degrees for the first time in a long time here in the valley. Then Wednesday, another chance of rain comes through here. This looks to be fairly similar to the system coming through here tomorrow. This one might have just a little bit more moisture with it. So again, a chance of showers sometime during the day on Wednesday, but it's a fairly progressive pattern, so this is not going to stick around too long. Highs may back off to around 70 or so, and then after that system moves out of here, highs back in the low and middle 70s for Thursday, partly sunny skies. Then a week from today, this is Friday, the 8th of March. Here comes another trough on in here. So the clouds coming back in, maybe a chance of rain out here. We'll have to see. Timing and intensity consistency has been a little off on the models, but the idea of another unsettled period looks likely out here for late next week. Then we'll go out 10 days to the end of the period. This is Sunday, the 10th of March, and a ridge builds back in here, and that means high temperatures warming back up again, back likely in the mid and upper 70s, and another low developing way out there off the west coast. All right, temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS Ensemble. The Ensemble's got us all the way up to 82. Check that out next week. But otherwise, temperatures look to be just a little bit above average for the most part as we go through the next 15 days or so. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a terrific weekend.